Hello everyone, my name is Ashwarya. Welcome to our show ETBT. Berger Paints join hand with IIT Guwahati to fight the COVID-19 pandemic. Today announced the launch of Breathe Easy Safe 24 multi-surface protector, which protects surface from germs, bacteria and COVID-like viruses for 24 hours. It's an alcohol-free environment-friendly product designed on the nano silver technology. Micromax unveils its new brand avatar in Micromax Informative Limited, India's very own consumer electronic brand. Today unveils a new sub-brand in as it makes a comeback in a smartphone segment. It is focused on delivering disruptive products for performance-seeking gamers and content creators. The new Tide Fresh and Clean launched in the city offers 3-in-1 laundry benefit. Tide, one of the leading fabric care brand in India from P&G, recently launched the Tide Fresh and Clean. It fights tough dirt on clothes, provides an excellent freshness after the wash. The product is launched in limited markets and will be available in two sizes, 500 grams at 35 and 1 kg at just ₹69. Tata Motors ties up with HDFC Bank for financing of passenger vehicles. Through the partnership, the company said it has introduced two new schemes, Gradual Step Up Scheme and TML Flexi Drive Scheme, with an eye on making its products more accessible and driving up sales in the festive season. The scheme will be available till the end of November 2020 and can be redeemed on the entire new BS6 range of Care and SUVs along with the company's EV range Tata Motors. Cycle sales increased twofold during coronavirus lockdown in India, says industry's expert. People in many cities have to wait to buy a bicycle of their choice due to the massive surge in demand. A total of 41,80,945 bicycles have been sold in the country in this 5 months from May to September 2020, according to All India Bicycles Manufacturers Association. Nach Meri Rani's poster shows Guru Randhawa and Nora Fateh in a unique avatar. The poster were released featuring Nora and Guru, each with a different aesthetic. Nora sports lilac hairs with a stunning silver outfit, and Guru can be seen looking cool and composed in a silk leather jacket. The much-awaited single Nach Meri Rani will be out on T-Series YouTube channel on the 28th of October. This is it for today. Thank you for watching Triple.com.